Piet Huysentruyt. Piet Huysentruyt, born 7 December 1962. Biography. Piet Huysentruyt, born in 1962, studied at the cooking school Ter de Wijnen in Coxade before working in a number of restaurants in Belgium and abroad. He opened his own restaurant in Wortegem Pietegem and got his first Michelin Guide star a few years later. Television. He starred in a few TV shows, the most famous being SOS Piet, which spawned 2 books. Publishing. By December 2008, he has sold 250,000 copies of his books SOS Piet and SOS Piet 2, and his books topped the bestseller list in Flanders in December 2008. In December 2009, he appeared in the new film about Kabouter Plop and de Kabouter Baby.